Welcome back today, friends, to Not Much Time 33 Outdoors. For short, NMT 33O. Not Much Time 33 Outdoors. YouTube channel. I do some hiking here. I do some other stuff. I like to investigate. I guess the better word is explore. Not really trying to solve anything. I'm just trying to discover things that I've never seen before. I know when I was a young boy, there's this one girl on the school bus. She used to tease me. In the winter, I would like make a little hole in the window, taking the frost off, and I'd stare out it as we went down the road to get back to our homes. I've always done that, no matter where I've been. I like to look around and see what I'm interested in. Well, who knew that when I'd got over half a century, I'd still be doing this. But more on a regular basis. Looks nice over there. Got some rapids down in there a little bit. That's nice. And of course, anybody that's ever been to the channel, they know who she is. I'm caught in a thicket. I'm caught in the thorns right now. I'm gonna have to back up, or else just lift one branch and go through. That's what I'll do. I'll lift one branch and go through. It's beautiful out here. Look at these right here. If I'm not wrong, those are marsh marigolds, but I could be wrong. And there's those purple blue ones we saw the other day, if you're watching. And of course, the mighty dandelion. Dandelions are actually good for you. I'm almost thinking I could come camping in here. Enjoy it very well. What do you think, Snickers? Would you be brave enough to stay overnight with me? She says, why would you do that? We're only about 10 miles from home. What are you doing back down in there? She says, you know, I'm thirsty. It's awful lovely down in there. I always wonder how these waterways got gorged out. There's a lot of explanations. Just water goes to the lowest ground and it flows. Others say that icebergs came through here, carved it out, all their weight. But I really don't know, and I know that the world was in an upheaval at one time. A great flood. but I don't know much beyond that. Well, friends, that's it for right now. I'll be back with more. This is Not Much Time 33 Outdoors YouTube channel. I just do it to relax, and maybe you can enjoy it too. Have a great day.